my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house.
Excellent! Oh, wow!
Woo-hoo-hoo! So beautiful. Wake up, Kitty. I will make fried eggs for you. Ta-da!
Wow! Go, go, go! Go to eat!
Today, I will make a 4-room house for Hello Kitty. I hope you like it. Make the bathtub. Join the cardboard pieces together. Cover the cardboard with clay. Woo-hoo-hoo! Use a straw as the faucet. Cut off the excess straw. Make the toilet. Take a piece of clay and flatten it. Cut the clay piece. So beautiful! Make the mirror. Cut the foam piece. A washcloth. The bathroom is finished. Add 2 walls. Make the bed. Glue the cardboard. Flatten the clay piece with a hard plastic. Cover the cardboard with clay. Make the blanket. Make the Hello Kitty headboard. Draw Hello Kitty on the cardboard. Cut along the drawing. Decorate Hello Kitty space. Apply blush to Hello Kitty. Ew! Make the hat.
Excellent!
Make the pillow. Add stuffing to make the pillow soft. Ta-da!
Oh, wow!
The bedroom is finished. Make the kitchen cabinet. Join the cardboard and adhesive paper pieces together. Make the countertop. Amazing! Make the gas stove. Cut the clay into a rectangle. Shape the gas stove. Add buttons. So cute! Make the balance with clay. Flatten the clay piece with a hard plastic.
Great!
Make the microwave. Join the cardboard pieces together. Ta-da! Make the hanging cabinet. Wow! Strawberry jam. Wake up, Kitty.
I'm hungry, Lisa. Is there anything to eat?
We have egg ingredients. Aha! I will make fried eggs for you. Pour the cooking oil into the pan. We will break the eggs. Flip the eggs over. Here is yours.
Thank you, Lisa.
The kitchen is finished. Make the sofa. Make the table.
Whoa! Wow!
The living room is finished. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wonderful! The house is finished. Congratulations, Hello Kitty.
too small.